Kubikwa ukuthi lesi sigameko senzeke ngesikhathi umphakathi uhlangene lapha eBeverly Court uze emngcwabeni wendodana yalo baba. Ubaba wendodana oneminyaka engama-56 ubeme eduze kwebhokisi lengane yakhe ngesikhathi edutshulwa amahlandla amathathu. Umphakathi umhlale ezithendeni umsolwa wambamba wamshaya waze washona ngaphambi kokuthi amaphoyisa afike endaweni yesigameko.
Funeral and mourning, it's something sacred, and when you are as brazen enough to attack a funeral ceremony, and kill the victim's father, it shows the callousness that you want to inflict so much pain and suffering on this family that's already in mourning. What drives you to so much hatred?
Kulomngcwabo kudubuleke nabanye abantu ababili. Izakhamuzi zisola ukuthi lokhu kuhlobene nempi yamaqembu emgulukudu eqhubekayo endaweni.
This is a matter firstly of gang-related violence. As we understand it, the issue on the ground, or the question on the ground rather, is that the send-off itself, is from a former person that was involved in gang-related activities in the community. So the events that played out yesterday, had the same element.
Umphakathi ukholwa ukuthi ukuba khona kwamaphoyisa abonakala emgwaqeni kungawenza umehluko.
If they know that there are gang-related funerals or whatever taking place in the community, that there's always police visibility to make sure ultimately that people are safe, because we can't assume that everyone at the funeral will be gangsters.
Lesi sigameko sesenze ukuthi kube nokukhathazeka mayelana nokwenyuka kwezigameko zokubulala okusolwa kuzo amaqembu emgulukudu kule ndawo.